Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to record a Zoom meeting on iPhone. So let's get started. First thing first, in order to record a Zoom meeting, you will need to be the host of that meeting. We don't have any other option rather than being a host in order to record the meeting. So firstly, go to the meeting and tap on the three dots available in the bottom right corner. In there, you'll get to see the option record to the iCloud and simply tap on it and it will start recording. So after you recorded the meeting on your iPhone, you can share that through the email. Tap on the recording to open it, then tap the share icon and you can select mail from the sharing options. Then enter the email address of the recipients and add any additional information you would like to include in the email. And once composed, tap send to share the recording with the selected recipients. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel and thank you for watching.